There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Hey everybody, welcome to the GearBox Precision Call. It is Friday and it is June 2nd. Awesome to be here with every single one of you. We're going to be discussing GearBox, the best performing pairs, the strategies that are working. Really, when it comes down to it, we have always ran our data accounts on the swing strategy because that is like the bread and butter of GearBox. And it's been amazing since GearBox 2.0 came out. You can see USD CAD as always as being its top performing pair, but it has just been performing phenomenal since the beginning of the year, and it's even right now currently in another 10% floating profit. So that's pretty incredible. Again, moral of the story, you can see that GearBox does what it does very well. And with that being said, if we go back, you can see that these are our data accounts. So we know which pairs perform the best, which pairs don't perform the best. USD CAD, Euro USD have always been top performers as well. If we go to the long-term data, USD CAD, AUD USD, GBP NZD, Euro USD, many of these were all in the top performers, right? AUD USD, so these top four, and then NZD USD as well. Now we are adding some features to GearBox that are coming out with our more advanced hedging engine. So some of these pairs that you see might have taken some losses or had these lumps, we're building out some new features into GearBox to allow these what we call worst performing pairs to be able to function and to also be able to run GearBox much safer in case that there is a trending move against you. But as we see, USD CAD has always been our best performing pair consistently with GearBox, and it still is right now. If we even go to this account, see, you know, this is our original 1.0 data account, and it's actually not even in any open trades. Meanwhile, we saw that the other 2.0 account is in 10% floating profit right now. So a lot of really powerful updates. Now, the new hedging engine that's going to be coming is going to be in our big new release of what I'm going to consider to be GearBox 2.5, as it's that critical of an update. I know it took us 2 years to come out with 2.0 from 1.0, but 2.5 is going to be coming out, and we released 2.0 in November. So it's been a little while, but there's a lot of good stuff on the works with new advanced hedging engine coming. We're also going to be adding a proximity filter, a few other really cool features that we believe are going to massively increase the profit potential with GearBox. So with that being said, that is the update for what we have going on right now with GearBox. Keep in mind that there are some big updates to come, but this is one of those products that's been steady. It doesn't need consistent updates. It's, you know, you stick to the better performing pairs and you let GearBox do you know, what GearBox does, and you really have a pretty low stress experience, especially on those best performing pairs. So stay away from the JPYs, the Swiss francs, you know, a lot of the Canadian pairs for the most part. But know that with the new advanced hedging engine to come in GearBox 2.5, when that is finally released in the very near future, you will be able to turn many of those pairs back on. But for now, we stick to, you know, the USD CADs, the Euro USDs, the AUD USDs, and those are all you really need to see a lot of success, see a lot of profit, and have a great experience with the product. And with that being said, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your Friday. I hope you've been enjoying GearBox so far, and look forward to more updates. Cheers, everybody.